How to determine the G-code offsets in X and Y for the Z probe and toolheads with Klipper. This is done with the help of a cheap digital microscope from AliExpress, costing in 2024 only €14, and Klipper with some simple macros. In this case, toolhead T0 is the reference because the Z probe is attached to it. The Z probe offset and other toolhead offsets are calculated using T0 as a reference. Due to the manual focus of the microscope, all Z offsets should be set to a fixed value, if possible at 0. Start with the preconditions, then continue with one of the others: Z probe XY offset, toolhead XY offset, or verify a configured toolhead XY offset. Preconditions. The disclaimer has been read. The toolhead move distance increments in X and Y are available in steps of 0.1, 0.01, and 0.001. The digital microscope. It has a stable pedestal. It is available as webcam within Klipper. It has the crosshair enabled in any color or size. The G-code offsets of all toolheads are set to 0 in the configuration file, with set G-code offset X equals 0, Y equals 0. The tool head with the attached Z probe is loaded. All axes are homed. Adjust the tool head or build plate height Z so the microscope, with pedestal, fits under it with a small gap. Position the microscope on the build plate so that the nozzle is close to, or in, the crosshair. Verify a configured toolhead XY offset. If needed, change the microscope's crosshair size to fit the nozzle opening. Remove the microscope from the build plate and home all axes. Adjust the tool head or build plate Z height and position the microscope on the build plate so that the nozzle is in the crosshair. With the toolhead move distance increment buttons, accurately, move the nozzle of the toolhead T0 into the center of the crosshair and then push set reference point. Move the toolhead T0, with move distance increment buttons, to any position in X and Y and then push go to reference point. The nozzle should return exactly to the crosshair center. If it does not match exactly, then Probably, the pedestal has moved. If needed, repeat steps starting at step 3. Switch from toolhead T0 to T1 and then push go to reference point and verify the nozzle is in the crosshair. Switch from toolhead T1 to T0 and then push go to reference point and verify the nozzle is in the crosshair. If the nozzles were not, more or less, exactly in the crosshair, then repeat toolhead XY offset.